I am sure you heard the news robots are taking over. It's a headline that been making waves across industries and sparking debates in bedrooms and break rooms alike. The idea of robots replacing human workers is both thrilling and terrifying, depending on who you ask. But is that really the case? Let's break it down. Alright, let's get real. The fear of robots taking over our jobs is not new. It's been around since the first industrial revolution, when machines started to replace manual labor. But history shows us that while some jobs disappear, new ones emerge. The idea of robots taking our jobs is straight off a sci-fi movie. We've all seen those films where robots becoming advanced that they start doing everything humans can do and sometimes even better. But the reality is a bit more nuanced than Hollywood portrays. But it's not all doom and gloom. In fact, the rise of automation and AI would lead to a more balanced and efficient workforce. Imagine a world where nuanced tasks are handled by robots, leaving humans to focus on more creative and strategic roles. Automation and AI are shaking things up, but they are also creating new opportunities. For every job that gets automated, there is a need for someone to design, program, and maintain those robots. This shift could lead to a surge in demand for tech-savvy professionals. First up, let's talk about the jobs most likely to be automated. Repetitive tasks say goodbye. Jobs that involve routine, predictable tasks are the first to be taken over by robots. This includes role in manufacturing, data entry, and even some aspects of customer service. Think assembly line work and data entry. These jobs are highly repetitive, can be easily programmed into a machine. Robots don't get tired. They don't need breaks and they can work 24/7 without a drop in efficiency. Robots are like, I got this. They can handle the monotony and precision required for the task, freeing up human workers to take on more complex and rewarding roles. But here's the kicker. Not all jobs are at risk. In fact, many roles that require human creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem solving are safe for now. These are the jobs that robots can't easily replicate. Creative roles, complex problem solving, and jobs that require a human touch. Safe for now. Think about it, can a robot really touch a classroom full of kids? Care for a patient with sympathy or design a visually stunning graphic? Not quite. So if you're a teacher, a nurse, or a wicked graphic designer, you can breathe easy. Your job is not going anywhere anytime soon. In fact, these roles might become even more valuable as automation take over more human tasks. Now let's talk about the script instead of focusing on the jobs that might disappear. Let's think about the new opportunities that automation brings. The rise of robots and AI is creating entirely new industry and job roles that didn't exist a decade ago. Automation isn't just about taking jobs, it's about creating them too. For every robot that's built, there's a need for engineers, programmers, and technicians to design, build, and maintaining them. This opens up a whole new world of career opportunities. New techniques, new roles from robots, maintenance to AI ethics officers. As we integrate more AI into our daily lives, we'll need experts to ensure these systems are used ethically and responsibly. This could lead to the creation of new fields of study and career paths. Yeah, you might end up managing the machines. Imagine a future where your job is to oversee a fleet of robots ensuring they're working efficiently and effectively. This could be a reality sooner than you think. And here's a spicy thought: robots can take over mundane tasks, freeing up for more meaningful work. Instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks, we could focus on innovation, strategy, and creative problem solving. Imagine a world where we focus on creativity, strategy, and innovation. Sounds pretty sweet, right? This shift could lead to a more fulfilling and engaging work environment for everyone. So, the next time someone says robots are coming for your job, hit him with the facts. It's not about losing jobs, it's about evolving with the times. Embrace the change and look for the opportunities that come with it. It's not about losing jobs, it's about evolving with the times. As technology advances, we must continuous learning and adaptability will be a key to thriving in this new era of work. Ready to ride the wave of the future. The future of work is not something to fear but something to embrace. With the right mindset and skills, we can navigate this transition and come out stronger on the other side. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. Stay tuned, Tech Fame. We're just getting started on this exciting journey into the future of work.